everyone. If you want to change your life, you must first change yourself. You must decide that you are capable of more, that you deserve more, and that you will not let fear, doubt, or failure stop you. Every great success story starts with a single decision. The decision to try, to start, to take that first step. And once you take that step, you must be willing to keep going no matter how hard it gets. My name is Muniba Mazari and I am a motivational speaker. If you find this video fruitful, then you can appreciate me by like and subscribe and start a new journey with me. You can share this message to one who needs it most. The difference between those who succeed and those who stay stuck is simple. Successful people never stop learning. They do not wait for knowledge to come to them, they go after it. Every single day, they make a choice to grow, to expand their minds, and to improve themselves. It is not about having a degree or formal education. It is about the mindset of never settling for what you already know. The world is changing every day, and if you are not learning, you are falling behind. Most people stop learning the moment they finish school. They believe that education is something that ends with a diploma, but the truth is real education begins the moment you take responsibility for your own growth. No one is going to force you to learn. No one is going to hand you success. You have to decide every single day that you will become better than you were yesterday. Imagine two people starting their careers at the same time. One does only what is required, never reads, never seeks knowledge beyond what they are told. The other spends time every day learning something new, reading books, listening to insightful conversations, studying the experiences of those who came before. A year passes. 5 years pass. Who do you think will be further ahead? The answer is obvious. Growth is a daily process. The small things you do every day shape who you become in the future. Learning is not always easy. It takes discipline. It takes effort. Some days you will not feel like reading. Some days you will want to waste time on distractions. But success does not care about how you feel. It only responds to what you do. Even 20 or 30 minutes of dedicated learning each day can transform your mind. Think about it. If you read just 10 pages a day, that is over 3,600 pages a year. That is the knowledge of dozens of books, hundreds of new ideas, and thousands of opportunities to change your life. The world's most successful people have one thing in common. They never stop educating themselves. Whether it is through books, podcasts, mentors, or real-life experiences, they are constantly growing. They know that knowledge is power, but only if it is applied. They do not just collect information, they use it to make better decisions, to create opportunities, and to improve their skills. Some people say, I don't have time to learn. But the truth is, it is not about time. It is about priorities. How much time do you spend on social media, watching pointless videos, or engaging in conversations that do not add value to your life? If you have time for distractions, you have time to educate yourself. Success is not about luck. It is about preparation, and those who prepare are the ones who rise. Learning is not limited to books. It is in the conversations you have, the experiences you go through, the questions you ask, and the way you observe the world. Every situation in life has something to teach you. Every mistake, every failure, every challenge holds a lesson. But you have to be willing to see it. You have to train your mind to look for growth in every moment. Your mind is the most powerful tool you have. But like any tool, it becomes dull if you do not sharpen it. If you do not challenge your thoughts, they become weak. If you do not push yourself to grow, you stay the same. And in a world that is constantly moving forward, staying the same is the same as moving backward. You owe it to yourself to invest in your growth, not for anyone else,